Yes, my friends, this is Winston Chow, cooking on Discover TV. Yes, I am not in my cooking lab. I am in my office, about to eat my dinner. Here, I have some pop chow, some steamed pop chow vegetables on my plate. Steamed pop chow with carrots. And yes, I have some leftover cow foot stew. Yes, from my best Jamaican cow foot stew on my plate. And I have some fried sausages. Yes, and some gravy on the rice. And I have some macaroni and cheese. This is my mix and match dinner for today, and you see this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discover TV. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if it's looking appetizingly delightful and delicious enough for you. Yes, so white rice, white steamed rice, macaroni and cheese, steamed pop chow vegetable, otherwise known as Chinese vegetables, and some leftover cow foot stew from my last, yes, creation in my cooking lab. And I have some fried sausages on the plate, as well as some gravy and rice. So this is my dinner for today, along with some grape juice.